Hello my dear audience, I welcome you to my channel Crockery and Cutlery Tales. Mexican nacho chips and salsa have become a favorite snack in recent years. Nachos are made with maize flour. But in this video, I will be using wheat and gram flour to prepare them. First, I am taking the wheat flour. Then I am adding half bowl of gram flour. Salt and pepper powder need to be added after this. A pinch of turmeric can also be added for the yellow color. First of all, the dough needs to be kneaded with oil for some time. The dough which is used to make nachos should be stiff and not soft. Now add water and complete the kneading process. I will let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let us prepare the mango salsa. I have taken half green capsicum and half red capsicum. Along with it, 1 full mango, coriander, onion and lime. Adding raw vegetables in diet is extremely nutritious. Bell peppers are excellent sources of vitamin A and vitamin C along with potassium, folic acid and fiber. Now I am chopping the onions into square shape. Mangoes are versatile genius. They are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. Do let me know in the comment box which is your favorite variety of mango. To enhance the flavor, I will be adding chili, coriander and lime juice. I am not adding any salt here. After adding the lime juice, I will be mixing all the ingredients. Meanwhile, 30 minutes have passed. After taking a small portion of the dough, I will flatten it with a rolling pin into a round shape. The roti which has been made is to be cut into square shape. Remove and reuse the extra part later. After cutting into squares, cut diagonally to make a triangular shape. Prick the nachos with a fork so that they do not puff up while frying. This will ensure that the nachos are crispy. Now the nachos are ready to be fried. The oil should be moderately hot. Fry the chips in small batches in medium heat. Each round will take around 4 to 5 minutes to get fried properly. It has started browning and the nachos are now fit to be consumed. Instead of frying these chips in oil, you can also bake them in microwave. Now I am plating the mango salsa along with the nacho chips. The tangy, spicy flavor of the salsa will be a fine accompaniment for the crispy chips. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It is time for me to take leave. We'll be meeting you all soon with a new recipe. Thank you for being there.